Hello everybody and welcome back to the repair house. This is part 3. I just unlocked the painting. I don't really know how that works yet. This is right off of episode 2. So we got the grill mill, the grain mill, a gumball machine, and a Game Jam Adventure console. And then we have the lamp that I was doing before. That should be all here the next day. Alright. I don't know why there's a map or how to really do anything with that yet. So. Let's do... Guns here. Guns here. That's not what I wanted. Oh, I may need one more lens. Yeah. Yep, I need one more of the... wires. I'm not gonna order it just yet. I may have messed something else up along the way, so maybe I'll just put you there for now. Display, this one's gonna be fairly simple. Gonna open it up. Gonna unscrew these ones. Unscrew this. Which there's very, very tiny screws. Take that out. The new one in. Take the back on, and then screw it here, 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 and here. There, and we're all done for that one. Gumball machine, which if you saw the last part, I had a couple of these already. Yeah, sometimes that music works and sometimes it doesn't, so. Alright, level 12. Ooh, that's gross. Oh, that was pretty gross. It was all rusty. Oh, that thing is huge. Okay. A grit, a bolt. Let's see. Okay. I barely saw that. If you ever want to go back a step, hit escape. I accidentally hit escape and I went back. Anyway. Let's find one. Find a different one. Ooh, tabletop. New paint should be at least good. I don't know how to do that. Okay, a small and practical device bringing arcade gaming to any bar, lounge, or even home. Joystick 2 is broken. Power switch is broken, needs replacing. Battery cover needs to be painted pastel blue. Battery cover is missing and needs to be replaced. Let's try this out. Don't know how well it's gonna work, but we can try. Needs to be painted. Car leaning? I don't know what color that is. What color is that? What color is... What color is... That's not how you spell that. Car... Enlini? Orange to reddish brown. If that's what you want, that's what you shall receive. So we're gonna be painting in this one. Get one paintable component in inventory. Tools. Paintable. I don't know what you mean. Okay, that's just... Pretty sure that's coming in. To tabletop. Arcade. Joystick 2. Power switch. Battery cover. Battery cover. Game jam. We need battery cover. Speaker. And screen cover. Speaker cover needs to be okay. Alright. I don't know. Get one paintable component in inventory. I don't know what you mean by that. Do I order something for that? Paintable. Oh? Extra shelving would probably be nice, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what you mean by that. Get one paintable component in inventory. Okay, I think I just have to wait until tomorrow. Let's finish this guy up, because he's been waiting. I think he's due today, so... Either just gonna be on time or you're gonna be a little late. Complete 50 orders. That doesn't feel that way. Oh my word. Okay. Unscrew you. Unscrew you. This looks so chunky, don't it? Like I know it's supposed to. Gotta get that joystick too. Just gonna keep going. Speaker. We don't have any that are perfect. Alright. I don't understand. I don't really understand what I'm supposed to be doing. I don't really understand. Speaker, which means I gotta get it into here. One's off. I do remember my brother having one of these ones. I had a Game Boy Advance. He had one of these ones. Oh yeah, that was just straight up broken. Battery needs to be painted. Okay. Let's do the motherboard first. Screw here, and here, here, and here. Bottom cover. I hope you're all enjoying the series. I still don't quite know how the painting works, but I'm hoping I'll figure that out. My finger decided it didn't want to hold it anymore and let go. Oh, do I have to take everything off and do it one at a... Oh, what do you want? The battery cover? Oh, that's fairly simple. Hold on. That's like one screw. Yes. What you want? Green. Where is it? Oh, okay. I hope I am open the window for this. Apply. Yes. Over here. Okay. Shocks back on? Yes. Yes, I did. White and red. Here you go. Ooh, we made $1,000 and level 13. Nice. Oh yeah. I was like, huh? You need to be battery cover. Battery cover needs to be pastel. Here. Select. I'm hoping I'm wearing a mask now. At least something. Okay, battery cover. Got you good. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Joystick 2. Joystick 2. Look, it's not gonna be perfect. I don't know what you heard, but we are a one-man crew. And yes, we have $1,000, or had $1,000. But we're not always gonna have that. The painting is fine. That's fine. This has a missing part. What are you talking about? What missing part? Hold on. Oh! Wait a minute. Yeah. I forgot the screen. Everything that I just did wouldn't have mattered if they didn't have the screen. Oh my god. I really need to stop hitting that button. That'd be great. I hit the button too soon is the case here. Alright. Well, now I learned how to paint specifically. Let's get some more orders in. What do we have? Day, no. Corn chiller, yes. Key duplicator, that's a new one. Alright, I think we can do that. This is a vintage key duplicator. Has seen many keys of all shapes and sizes. Maybe it's time to bring it back to business. Alright. That's something new. Titania guitar. Wow, okay. Corn chiller. Corn chiller. Handle and crank. Key duplicator. We are missing bearing. Alright. We have no more orders anyway. We can go home. Alright. We didn't get any painting ones this time. Handle and crank, so. This one's gonna be fairly simple. Yeah, I honestly enjoyed this game. Like, I know I'm not quite done with it yet. But, no, that's fun. I like learning how to do all these things. Even though it's, you know, not totally useful right now. I don't know where it would be. I do like the music too. It's very relaxing. I mean, it's only this like one song, which is kind of annoying after a while, but it is kind of nice. Ball bearing. Is that the only one? I think so. That's like one on both sides. Cutting wheel, go through. Wheel here. That in. Okay, so I did have to take all of those off. Go and do this. There's lots of parts to this one. Huh? They don't give you like any sort of instructions for any of this, which is a little unfortunate to my brain, where I'm like, where did this just go? Oh, okay, right there. Because I have short-term memory problems. I automatically fucking forget where I just brought it from. Oh, look at us go. All right. I'm gonna get a couple decorations. A car couch. I'm gonna get plant. I'm gonna get a plant. A washing station would be really great, but I'm not quite ready to spend that much money yet. I wish I could organize it by how much it is. Now that I splurged, okay, we can do that one. Guitar. Polish up your repair skills as well as your guitar playing skills with this professional electric guitar. Well, that's pretty easy. I could do that one. I could do that one. That's pretty easy. And then I'll do this one because that's new. Alright. So, we have a combo. We gotta watch out because those are two different things. Amp leg. Thing? Yes. I assume. Horn. Again. Handle. Skateboard, which we haven't had since the first episode. We had a bunch of those. And then a guitar, which we haven't had yet. So we need a strap pin. We need this. And a peg left. Peg left. Alright. Alright. While that is doing its thing, I'm going to take everything apart because you just never know. I don't think there's secondary objectives to this one. I also need to clean up my inventory. Condition. Hey, we just made some money back, so I can't complain about that one. Alright, I'm gonna put you Skateboard. I'm gonna see which wheel it is. The wheels are a little bit hard to notice when it is. I think it's this one. Yeah, I would say it's this one. Alright, yeah. I was right. Ooh, what a pretty pink electric guitar. That's pretty. Might as well learn how to do this real quick while I'm learning how this works. See, if you're missing something, it'll end up telling you, like with this. But I am just doing this part to learn all the parts, at least the best that my memory will allow. So I thought it was done. It was not. Right, it doesn't seem like I could click on you. Okay, strap pin. Alright, I think you're pretty bare now, except for this, but it's not letting me do anything with you, so I'm assuming you are fine. Too big, apparently. It's fine. Where was the strap in? It was like right here, yeah. Go. Is there another spot for a strap pin? Oh, hey now, whoa now. Ooh, wow. I mean, it makes sense, but... And I've never taken anything apart like this. I never was able to, because A, I would get in trouble, and B, we didn't have money to fix it. And anytime something did break, we never had money to fix it, so I never did it on purpose. It wasn't that I wasn't curious about it, it was just I knew I'd get into trouble, and I didn't want that, so... never did anything like this before. Pretty cool. Pretty relaxing. As I said, I mean, I wish the music would change just a little after a while, but it's still very nice, you know? Strings back on. I hope I didn't miss anything. Naba here. Up here. Switch cap. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh. Yeah, that thing. And then a strap pin again, which I thought might have been up here, but it might be. Not seeing anything that's glowing. Oh. Oh, that's not it. I thought I had something. I feel like someone in my life would be very upset when I didn't know where the strap pin would go. Maybe not. Maybe she wouldn't be so mad at me. This looks broken. Strap pin. Burning peg left. Oh, yeah, right there. Okay, I was missing something. That's fine. That's fine. I know what I'm looking for. No. It's one of those little tiny things. Yeah. Alright. I move you? No, I can't. Oh, good. Can I just put you back in here for like a second? Yes. Yes, I can. Alright, I'm putting you back in here for a second. I'm not sending you out yet. It's just too big, apparently. Yeah, it needs to sit on all of it. Alright. Let's fix you up because you're pretty easy. This is just a tire. E, Julie. Did you know it's E? Alright, you're all set. You can go. Level 14. Level 14. How about you? Oh, you're gonna be pretty easy too. And I'm glad I never run out of these screws. That's for sure. Oh boy. Oh, I see. Oh, well, that's gonna be... Is it this thing? Amp... Oh, there. Wow, you were easier than I thought you would be. Now, you, me, and the guitar over here. Yes, you. I'm talking about you. Where the heck? This is the strap pin, is it not? This right here? I thought that's where the strap pin would go. If I was holding it to the neck, isn't it? But where on the thing? Put it around your head so it's like, where in the heck and heck? Egg left. And have any second. Oh yeah, pig left. That's broken. Alright, I'm waiting for the next day. I'm gonna check this real quick. Oh, the neck's probably gonna be easy to fix. Yep, was pretty easy to fix. No. Not doing any one-day ones. I think we're in trap. I could probably do that. We already got the guitar stuff, I believe. Saturn neck. Saturn neck 3. Getting very specific now, guys. Amp leg. And then one of the tinkering trucks right here. So we need a cab 1, which is right here. We need a door and a wheel axle. I said axe last time, and now it's like that's not Axel. Alright, we'll come back the next day. Alright. Put you over here. Oh, aren't you adorable? Alright. I thought I bought you your thing. It looks really weird just having one be that way, but whatever. I don't know, man. I understand it goes here, right? Doesn't the strap go... like over your shoulder? It's top, but it's not showing up. It's just hard because I don't know what I'm looking for. Strings. I'm just trying to look close up, guys. Am I dumb? Like, obviously this is one, right? Feels like there's two, because otherwise this would be crossed off. Oh, wait a minute. Hey guys, I found it. Alright, I'm gonna fucking take you out back and yeet you, apparently. Ay, ay, ay. Oh my god, this one is a mess. Alright. So we gotta take this off. Probably take that off, would be my guess. Take this off. Do I have to take all of each individual off? I think so. I don't know. No, we gotta do that one anyway. I will add the washing to this as well. Yeah, we did. Okay. Honestly, this needed it. One needed this bad. Pretty dirty. Little tiny screw here, little tiny screw there. I'm gonna put the... I don't think it matters where these go. Don't think it does. As long as I don't miss one, I guess. Right. Level 15! We can now visit somewhere. Flea market. Okay. What do we need for this one? Amp leg, right? Which one? Oh, I think it's you. Amp leg. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of money to go to the flea market with, that's for sure. I think we have to take this off first. It's just straight up. Alright. I'm gonna do the washing station because that's a little cheaper. And then I'm gonna look. Hand drill. We haven't had one of these yet. Use this drill holes and screws into your material. You can't go wrong with a slow manual drill. 2 days. I think I can do it. Forge blower. We haven't had one of those yet. This tool will supply air to blacksmith forge during wielding and maintaining a strong fire. Handle is missing. Yeah, I could do this one. Can only do 4 at a time, I think is the limit, so they wouldn't let me do that one. Hand drill. Hand cranked grinder. No, hand drill. We need a chuck and a drive wheel. That. Forge blower, which we haven't had yet. We need a handle, which I feel like if all the handles are this way, you could just use any old handle, but I know that's not the point. I'm just saying. Rear grind disc and handle. Rear grind disc and handle. Alright. Let's go. Flea market. Well, let's go. Oh my goodness! Look at this! Cute! This device, for page here, you can see parts currently installed on this device. Parts that are missing, you can mark parts so they highlight when you encounter them. Okay, so these are missing, I think, and these aren't, or vice versa. I'm sorry. Cute! Books. Pallets. Oh, you're a coffee grinder. And do I get to sell the item afterwards? Oh. It's missing a lot of stuff. I think it's the other way around. I think this is what I would have to circle and not this. Look at it! Oh, I'm so excited, man. It's so fun. You just never know. You just never know. Those look like they're tools I might need. Cabinet. Okay, I'm gonna leave with that one thing. Alright. That was cool. So we went to the flea market. That was pretty neat. Okay, so this is the thing I got at the flea market. Yeah! Okay, we have a lot more stuff that I didn't notice yet. So we haven't done the train yet. I haven't seen that come up. This one we haven't seen. Italian coffee grinder, haven't seen that one. Haven't seen the pedal car, nope. Haven't seen the push car or the RC buggy. I haven't had this one, I don't think. Oh! Okay, haven't had that one yet. That's brand new. And haven't had either one of these. Oh yeah. I want to very slowly turn it. Apparently, that's what I would like to do. Hi! Oh, you don't fit there. Hi! Oh, I can't put it on the windowsill. Ooh. I don't know if it's supposed to be this way or this way, but I don't want to run across the room, you know? Oh, yes. I will fix that up in a jiffy. Oh, it is nice having extra space to put stuff. I don't think it's gonna still let me do a bunch, but... Oh. Thought I heard some thunder. Ooh, those clouds look pretty dark out there. I may have to cut this one short. I don't want to, but that thunderstorm might make me. It might make me. Alright. Maybe if I'll just get this one done. That's pretty dirty. That is really gross. Oh, here. So weird. This is a washing station. You can use it to clean off dirty parts of certain parts. Oh. So I learned how to do that. I didn't need to, but... Doesn't look like I cleaned it at all, but whatever. It's fine. What a weird device. Sounds very strange. Not gonna lie. Level 16, guys! I'm just flying through this now. The handle, right? Be at least perfect. I don't know if we have any of those parts. Sometimes I think I need to buy all these parts, and then I'm like, how often are these actually gonna come up? What's that? Forge. Probably all gonna be really bad, so we're gonna stay up there. What about you? What do you need? Oh, that handle's broken. I really do hope you guys are enjoying this video and this series. I know it's not too exciting. There will be more exciting games coming soon. But this was just the first of many that I got during the Steam sale. And I just figured this one might be kind of the quickest to get through. It's only like 6 hours long, really. Front cover goes here, you here, you here. And put the wheel on. And the handle. Handle goes somewhere. You know, I saw it light up. I really did. I saw it for like 2 seconds. Where did the handle go? Why is it not letting me do what I needed to do? Yeah, that would be thunder. So I might have to cut this one shorter than I would like. Because it is storming outside. Pretty bad, actually. So I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will be back when I can. Hopefully when the storm's over, hopefully. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.